Now we are going to start the next topic, hyperbola. Hyperbola. Generally there are three types of conics: parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. When the conic is said to be parabola, if eccentricity E is equal to 1. When the conic is said to be an ellipse, if E is less than 1. When the conic is said to be hyperbola, if E greater than 1. Write the definition. Write the definition of hyperbola. A conic is said to be hyperbola if its eccentricity E is greater than 1. Now the equation of hyperbola in standard form is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola in standard form. What is the equation of ellipse in standard form? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is an ellipse in standard form. You observe the difference between these two. In place of plus b square, here it is minus b square. We write this equation as x square by a square plus y square by minus b square is equal to 1 also. So in place of plus b square, here it is minus b square. So in formulas also, in place of b, you take minus b. That is the only difference between ellipse and hyperbola. Now, shape of this hyperbola is in this way. Let it be x-axis and it is y-axis origin. This is the shape of the hyperbola. Here also hyperbola has two foci, S, S dash, and two directrices. These are called directrices. This is called transverse axis. This is called conjugate axis. X-axis is called transverse axis, y-axis is called conjugate axis. This is foci and this line is directrix. X-axis is transverse axis, y-axis is conjugate axis. Now we discuss the formulas, how to find foci, how to find directrix, and moreover this origin is center of the ellipse. Here also we discuss foci, directrix, vertex, all these formulas in tabular form. So all of you write the table. First you draw this diagram. Equation of hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Second type, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. This is called conjugate hyperbola. Conjugate hyperbola. There are two types of hyperbolas. Okay. Shape. X-axis and this is y-axis. This is the origin. It is x-axis and it is y-axis. It is origin. Center 0, 0. Here also center is 0, 0. Next, eccentricity. Eccentricity E. That is E is equal to root of a square plus b square by a square. First you write the measurements of this hyperbola. Next, foci. Plus or minus a comma 0. Next, vertices. Plus or minus a comma 0. Next, transverse axis. Transverse axis and length. Conjugate axis and length. Here transverse axis is x-axis. Its length is 2a. Here conjugate axis is y-axis. Its length is 2b. This is called transverse axis. This is called conjugate axis. Next, equation of directrices. Directrices. X is equal to plus or minus a by e. Next, equation of latus recta. equation of latus rectum x is equal to plus or minus AE. Next, ends of latus rectum. We already discussed this latus rectum concept in ellipse. It is a focal chord perpendicular to axis. Ends of latus rectum. Plus or minus AE comma plus or minus B square by A. Next, write these measurements to this hyperbola. In this, you observe that in this hyperbola, transverse axis is y-axis, conjugate axis is x-axis. Just to interchange B with A. Here A and B are interchanged. So eccentricity E becomes root of B square plus A square by B square. Foci. Here foci lies on x-axis. Here foci lies on y-axis. So that equation, that foci becomes 0 comma plus or minus BE. Next, vertices 0 comma plus or minus B. 0 comma plus or minus B. Here foci and vertices lies on x-axis. To this hyperbola, foci and vertices lies on y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. A is replaced with B. Next, transverse axis. Here transverse axis is y-axis. Its length is 2b. Next, conjugate axis is x-axis. Its length is 2a. Next, equation of directrices. Y is equal to plus or minus B by E. Equation of latus rectum. Y is equal to plus or minus B into A. Just you replace A with B. Next, ends of latus rectum. Ends of latus rectum. Plus or minus A square by B, the plus or minus BE. Here x coordinate and y coordinate are interchanged. By using this table, we can find any value in hyperbola. Now we are going to start the problems on hyperbola. Write the first problem. Equation of hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola with eccentricity E is equal to root 2 and having the distance and having the distance between the foci 1 is okay. What is the equation of hyperbola in standard form? Equation of hyperbola in standard form is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. But what is given? A distance between foci is 1. What are foci? Foci of the hyperbola plus or minus ae comma 0. There are two foci, s ae comma 0, s dash minus ae comma 0. A distance between foci, that means distance between s and s dash is equal to 1. These two are called foci. See what is the distance between these 2 points, root of x1 minus x2 whole square, ae plus ae, 2ae whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square, 0 is equal to 1. Here the square root is eliminated, so 2ae is equal to 1. From this e is given. What is e value? Root 2. Substitute e value. E is equal to root 2, that is given. Then a is equal to 1 by 2e, 1 by 2 root 2. A is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Now how can we find b value? In hyperbola eccentricity, what is the formula to find eccentricity? Root of a square plus b square by a square. Okay, substitute a value and eccentricity value. What is squaring on both sides? You get e square is equal to, here divide separately, 1 plus b square by a square or b by a whole square. But what is e square value? But e is root 2, e square is 2. From this 2 is equal to 1 plus b by a whole square. 2 minus 1, 1. So b by a whole square is equal to 1. So b by a is equal to 1. So b is equal to a. So a value is also 1 by 2 root 2. B value is also 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore, equation of hyperbola is x square by a square. What is a square? What is a value? 1 by 2 root 2 whole square minus y square by b square. 1 by 2 root 2 whole square is equal to 1. This term is common. On taking LCM, we get x square minus y square is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 whole square, or that is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Right. Write the next problem. Equation of hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola with conjugate axis. With conjugate axis 4 and distance between foci, distance between foci 12 is Okay, what is the equation of hyperbola in standard form? Equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. If you find the values of a and b, then the problem is completed. What is given here? Hyperbola with conjugate axis is 4. Length of conjugate axis is 4. Length of conjugate axis. What is the length of conjugate axis to this hyperbola? 2b is equal to 4. Length of transverse axis is 2a. Length of conjugate axis is 2b. So from this b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Also given distance between the foci is 12. We already find distance between foci is 2AE. Distance between foci is equal to 2AE, that is 12. From this AE is equal to 6. Now find a value from this. Squaring on both sides, a square e square is equal to 36. That implies a square into, what is e square? What is eccentricity e? What is the formula? Root of a square minus b square by a square. E square, squaring on both sides, we get a square plus b square by a square, or apply this formula. E square is 1 plus b by a whole square. 1 plus b by a whole square is equal to 36. Okay, take this a square into bracket, a square into 1, a square, here a square cancel, plus b square is equal to 36. But b is 2, b square 4. From this a square is equal to 36 minus b square, that is 32. A square is 32, b square is, b is 4, b square is 4. Then write the equation of hyperbola. Therefore, equation of hyperbola is x square by a square 32 minus y square by b square, b is 2, b square is 4, is equal to 1. Okay, we will do some problems on hyperbola in next class. ఏ గురుప్రసాద్ అడుగుతున్నాడు.